watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Mark.
And Funny Man Marc, if you guys don't know who he is, you better follow him up because he's funny as fuck.
Damn straight, thank you. Mad respect.
But we got some cupcakes here from Baked by Melissa. So Baked by Melissa is from New York. They specialize in these like little bite-sized cupcakes, and it's kind of cool because like they got different flavors. And even though they're all the way in the East Coast, you can actually order them online, and they ship within 2 days. Get to you within 2 days, and it's kind of cool because they come like in these frozen pouches, and they just defrost, but still
look
fresh.
fun.
Oh.
They look fun.
These are
They
awesome.
better be.
So I invited Mark today so that way he could try these out.
Yes.
Because, you know, he's sweet at heart. He'll cuddle you so hard. So hard.
So fucking hard.
So I was surprised that when these came in the mail, like, they were, like, intact.
They still mostly are.
And they come in, like, these 25 in a case, right? To make shipping worth it, I got 2 cases. Because I think it was, like...
Smart way to go, dude.
Yeah, $16
You're
just
not
for
shorting
shipping.
yourself.
No. But let's try these out.
Right,
So,
dude.
go ahead, Mark.
Do you know what I'm gonna do one of these because it's either matcha or it's gonna be
mint.
Mint.
Yeah,
I think it's mint. Is it mint?
It's mint. So, I found out about these cupcakes because I watch UFC a lot, right? And one of my favorite fighters, Max Holloway, after weigh-ins, he always gets boxes of these. Like he'll like devour them, right? And I was just like, man, what are those cupcakes? He goes crazy about them. So that's why I ordered.
Pretty good. Basically like a mint cupcake.
So how does it taste like, even though it's like it's been shipped? Because I actually put these in the freezer because they stay fresh for like, they'll let you freeze it for about 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Still stays.
Yeah, it's still moist. The frosting is nice and smooth. Yeah, I mean, they're cupcakes. They're good. Nice and sweet. They're sugar loaded.
And they got flavors of the month too. So, I mean, if you want to try different flavors all the time.
I'm interested in this one. I don't know what this is. Do you know what this one is?
I think it's like a peanut butter almost. This is like confetti.
Yeah, peanut butter.
Oh, it has a little filling in the milk.
That one really sticks to your mouth, dude.
Yeah. It's crazy how these things still stay moist.
Yeah, they are very moist. I understand how Max eats a whole case.
Dude, these are bomb. This looks like chocolate chip with more chocolate chip.
Here's another one that's chocolate with chocolate, and then some more chocolate.
Triple chocolate.
That was good.
Dude, these are fucking bomb.
You should eat that chocolate one, dude.
Dude,
If you like chocolate, that's really good.
These cupcakes are freaking bomb. And they better be, because they're not cheap. Because like a case
$100.
is like, it's not $100. But a pack of 25 is like $25.
That's not bad though. $1 cupcake?
$1 cupcake.
I saw them on the corner for $1.25.
$1 for 2 bites?
Yeah.
That's crazy, right? Oh, it's so moist. If you guys have had these before, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. But these are amazing.
Pretty good. And they're fun.
Yeah, these are
dangerous. These are dangerous. So
right?
You know what? Let me just take them now. I mean, this one. This one looks fun.
What do they got? Which one is your favorite so far? I mean, they got different flavors, so.
The triple threat chocolate. Definitely the best one in my book.
Yeah.
They're bomb.
And this is peanut butter. Huh? I didn't even try this.
Do it.
Oh. I think that peanut butter one's my favorite right now. But
I'm being told to try this one. It's got a little marshmallow on there.
it's magically delicious. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Okay, you should get one.
Really? I gotta stop myself. But hey, thanks for joining
never
us today.
stopping.
Thank you, Mark, for joining us.
Thank you for
glad
having me.
you were able to try these
Me
cupcakes
too.
with us. Tim's in the background. If you don't see,
We're not eating all these. He's eating some
yeah,
too.
he's eating some too. He's actually just like holding
He's
the
sneaking
camera.
them away.
Yep. But do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, so that way you can watch more videos just like this one
Every day.
every day.
Share it with your friends and family.
So that
Follow
way-
us everywhere. He'll edit it.
My bad. Yeah, but share this with your family and friends because I love it.
Absolutely.
And we'll catch you in the next video.
Boom. Peace.